I am AI Avatar of CA Ratan Mundra. Welcome to the detailed overview of the 23rd IFSCA Authority meeting held on March 26, 2025. During this meeting, significant developments were approved, aiming to enhance the regulatory framework of financial operations within the International Financial Services Center IFSC. Let's dive into the key regulations that were discussed and approved during this session. In this section, the IFSCA Authority introduced the IFSCA Capital Market Intermediaries Regulations 2025, which will replace the previous regulations from 2021. This update incorporates improvements based on stakeholder feedback and global benchmarking. The new regulations introduce a revised framework for registration, regulation, and supervision of capital market intermediaries operating in the IFSC. Key changes include the introduction of a new category for research entities and the removal of the account aggregator category. Furthermore, the regulations integrate frameworks for distributors and ESG ratings and data products providers (ERDPP), which were previously addressed through circulars. Notably, credit rating agencies (CRAs) must now obtain separate registration to operate as ERDPPs. The updated regulations specify the qualifications and experience required for principal officers and compliance officers across all capital market intermediaries. If an entity holds multiple registrations, it must appoint a dedicated principal officer for each activity. Though initially, a common principal officer can be appointed pending a review based on the business's scale and complexity. This ensures a tailored approach to governance, enhancing the regulatory compliance within the IFSC. The authority decided to maintain the current status quo on global access until further deliberations are concluded. In terms of financial requirements, the minimum net worth for various categories of intermediaries has been updated. For example, credit rating agencies now require a net worth of $200,000, while investment advisors require $25,000. These revisions aim to ensure financial stability within the IFSC by aligning with global standards. The new regulations mandate that all capital market intermediaries must submit their annual compliance audits by 30th September each year. This will enhance transparency and ensure that entities adhere to regulatory standards. These audits play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and credibility of financial services within the IFSC. In another key development, the IFSC approved the KYC Registration Agency (KRA) Regulations 2025. This new regulation establishes the framework for registering and regulating KYC agencies in the IFSC. It outlines the eligibility requirements, qualifications, and duties of KRAs. Additionally, all regulated entities within the IFSC will be required to upload their clients' KYC records to the KRA. This aims to streamline client onboarding processes and enhance efficiency in customer due diligence (CDD). The authority also approved the transition plan for the IFSCA Fund Management Regulations 2025, offering a one-time opportunity for entities to extend the validity of their private placement memoranda (PPM) under certain conditions. This change ensures that fund management practices remain aligned with the updated regulations, providing clarity and consistency for firms involved in private placement activities within the IFSC. To conclude, the 23rd IFSCA Authority meeting has set the stage for a more regulated, transparent, and efficient financial ecosystem within the IFSC. These changes will help streamline operations, ensure investor protection, and promote ease of doing business. With these new regulations, the IFSCA is working towards creating a globally competitive financial hub, bringing greater stability and growth to the sector. Stay tuned for further updates as these regulatory changes unfold and reshape the financial landscape of the IFSC. Moonsys and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SEZ and IFSC excellence, a pioneer in establishing SEZ and IFSC units within Gift City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup, operational support, and handling complaints, risk management, renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company, foreign university BATF, and ancillary regulations. And FinTech, expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network, scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.